This video is made for educational and entertainment purposes. Do not repeat anything that you'll see in this video.
Come on. What's this? Oh my god! Oh my god! I just can't believe it! Hey, what's up? Michael here. I'm gonna show you something cool. I'm talking about these cool glasses. Ray-Ban glasses. I've been dreaming to buy these for many months. In this video, I'll try to come up with something. And I asked ChatGPT about some crypto-related blockchain games. And this one looks the most impressive. So right now, I'm just gonna give it a go. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm just trying to open this one. How about this one? Maybe this. And yeah, here's the deal. This thing happens every single time. And I mean, it's so frustrating, and I just never relied on luck. Luck is bullshit. I mean, I never ever earned anything with luck. I truly appreciate consistency and systematic approach, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So for starters, I'm just going to follow the steps here. It's no big deal at all. And while I'm doing this, guys, I want to say one important thing, that all that I'm showing in this video is just my personal experience. I'm just recording this for my buddies. You should think twice before repeating anything. That's important. So it's just like my personal experience. It's for fun. And basically, I'm almost finished with this thing. Give me just a sec. And while it's loading, I'm just gonna do something nice for one of my subs. I do this on a regular basis. I'm gonna drop him this text, and I'm gonna send him a small bonus. Hopefully, he's gonna enjoy it. Yeah, great. So now I can come back here and yep, it's done. Marvelous. So now I'm just gonna go with this first option. And yeah, I'm just gonna hit this button here. And obviously, this is exactly what I was talking about when I mentioned systematic approach. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do something here. Give me just a sec. I'll try to be real quick. Just gonna go here. And once again, guys, I wanted to remind you that I'm recording this for fun, for my subs, for my buddies. So hopefully they're gonna enjoy this video. It's just like my personal experience, just for fun. And yeah, this is exactly what I was trying to do. So I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna enter this thing. Yeah, then this amount. Yeah, looks perfect. And obviously it's processing, and come on. Can take a few minutes, but I hope it's gonna be done much faster. So come on. Great. So now I can go back here, and I'm just gonna reload this thing. Come on. You know, usually it takes about a minute or two, sometimes longer, but in any case, it happens fast. So, actually, I'm itching to start playing for real. So, come on. How about now? How about now? Not yet. Okay, what about now? And yeah, marvelous, great. That was fast. I'll tell you what, that was fast. So now, here I'm gonna enter this amount, just like that. And now I'm just gonna go back here. I'm gonna hit this button, and yeah, great. And this is just crazy. I mean, this is the most exciting part, actually, because I'm just gonna open this one here. Yeah, obviously one here. I'm gonna double check. Yep, I can see that. One on the right side, one at the bottom. Come on. I'm a bit nervous here. I don't want to misclick. That's gonna look stupid, I'll tell you what. And how about this? This is just crazy. I mean, this is madness. This is madness. I mean, when I put this to the test for the first time, I thought maybe that was luck or something. But this time, it's just crazy. I can't believe what I'm seeing. I literally can't believe it. But this gameplay is it's just nuts. Okay, so deep breath here. I gotta focus, because this is the most important part here. I'm just gonna open to here. Yeah, I'm a bit nervous. Hopefully this one's gonna be correct. And it's just crazy. I mean, I'm totally freaking excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is total craziness. I mean, I'm just gonna keep the momentum going, guys, because I have a feeling that something cool is about to happen next. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Yeah, so one here in the corner, one here. I'm gonna double check it here. Yeah. Actually, this one looks like a square or something. Yeah, looks beautiful, and that looks even more beautiful. I mean, I'm totally enjoying this. This is unbelievable. I can't even express what I'm feeling right now. This is something insane. Okay, gotta slow down here. I'm just gonna actually full focus here. Yeah, I gotta be focused. Come on. Oh my god. Yeah. So I gotta give it one more go here. It's gonna be crucial. This one's gonna be crucial. Maybe it's gonna be the final one. Hopefully, I'm not gonna be disappointed here. And this is exactly the opposite. This is exactly the opposite. And I just don't know what to say, guys. I mean, I'm on the cloud freaking nine, I guess. So, I'm just gonna do something here. Give me just a sec. Because here comes the most crucial part of this video. I'm just gonna enter this thing here. I'm gonna go back here. Yeah, just like that. And yeah, guys, be sure to watch this video till the end, because I don't know what's gonna happen next, but I have a feeling that it's gonna be huge. So I'm gonna enter this thing right here, just like that. Yeah, looks cool. Great. Yep, it's submitted. So now, I'm just gonna go here. Oh, I got a notification. And yep, it's successful. That's crazy, guys. That's just crazy. So actually, I'm a bit shaking here. And by the way, guys, this is my Telegram. You can pause the video and copy the name. There's so much useful info here. I publish different tips and tricks, and they're available only here. They're exclusive. So, for example, this one, or maybe I'm gonna scroll up a bit. It's gonna be something interesting. How about this? Yeah, how about this one? Actually, I mean, this is crazy. I mean, this is nowhere to be found except here. So, right now, I'm just gonna go here. And while we're waiting, guys, I think maybe I should give it one more go, just for fun, just to try my luck, because actually I know it's no use, but I'm wondering what's gonna happen. So, I'm gonna enter this thing. That's gonna be fun, and I'll make it more difficult, because actually, like I said, it's no use, but this time it's gonna be more exciting. Whoa! How about that? How about that? Yeah, but it was just a one-time luck, no more. And okay, I got lucky here. So finally, here comes the most crucial part of this video, because I'm just gonna reload this thing, and come on, what's this? Oh my god! Oh my god! I just can't believe it! This is crazy! This is madness! I'm gonna buy these glasses ASAP! This is crazy, man! This is crazy! I mean, I'm totally freaking excited.